bro tong phai mo bosi rjang noi ni sakani kauno chung timle sai khna le nai ke apun somoi rawle Mizoram Tripura hi pom mungphono ka yakho akhe saphono sayakho ke apun somoi yuba bukti jagao tongpai bukti ha pho tongpai aboni kauno le tini chung bango simro le chung sia panong tha arame tini chompon kauno chung sai khna le ra nai akhe chung sia ma pandawle tini yon tawon zorawle pa amkhi kariye ya phangching ru khau ye abono sani ye chongya arpon na yagu leang part 1 part 2 part 3 abde khiye chung saklai thanai aboni kauno chung tini yole jem khrum kaum khrum no skang chung sai khna le ra nai Mizoram Tripura hiye mung kai yakho mung kroi kho umphun skang bosir jang noi saka upor ni kauno se chung sakna lai nei bo ye tin ya chung bo kaule krengkok madi khna chung khna nai ara himpo sin krung raw soin krung raw suye sin krung simo bo ye sui khae ti mong bo ye kau bui kauno se chung khna nai krengkok madi ke chung khna phi himpo kau bui se unai ke bruni hum thai thoi klai ye ya phang yarung khe chung tong sa phai mo jaga le mung azati mung siao ye bru ye chung siao sa phai mo jaga abo singkhe bole mayani hathai khe te za jati ro singkhe mayani hills point view abudi khiye ye mo jaga mayani hathai mayani hills aboron chin se tini chini brura baikho ye aboron chin se mung kay motong are hinge chung numayo ke abu muhachok phungya arole aron chia chaye aron che tolo yaron chin he mung bor khe chung jang khamawar ke ungkhle pe phe abu muhachok phungya aro jagao se bru raja chaye tongbimo jaga se are hinge chung siane phonang phiyo akhen abo jagao chini bruni poila siamo raja ni mungkhe bole rtompai raja are ye chung simayo khe buno hiap mo singkhe bole muchang pha pho hiap phiyo are ye chung simayo khe manikyo raja Tripura bini somoyo Roknomonikyo se nyapyo abo bung Roknomonikyo raja cha tongphun somoyo 1179 ke aron chinyo 1323 bosi saisa bosir jangnoi bosi kur thamtisku aboron chinyo bosi saisa bosi rzak tham bosi kholphe tham krongriye abochini raja rtompai raja abo mayani hathayo raja chaye etongye abo elakara bosu haktor manobu aron chir bin power beki bu control khetumo jaga se akhe abote bang raja monikya ni mung chung khune mathang mo singkhe bole abo umpuan somoyo singkhe bole blong beraye blong thuk ha soye blong beraye thangpon somoyo singkhe bole dinga singkhe bole mani umkloi mai thami mani umkloi mai thang singkhe abo rajan thiyo phaye phnu phainai ba abo raja je naisong nai mi abo bini don bai bini rangkho pucha be slai songse kayang tha kroing tha ong thang singkhe abo raja binim sayuno riha binim sayuno risingkhe abo raja ni kau bai khiye mayani hathayo tongye raja chaye aboroni aboro raja chaye aboro bu khomata bai khiye aroni luko projar no toi dul toi theto ma pandawo brono song hoya ankebo mayani hills o ha background ye aboro bro to ma pandau ba sa square kilometer tung phi hin singkhe boyon du se do square kilometer 10,066 square kilometer 10,066 akhe abo jagani tuima ra pho tunga bo tuima jang jang oni abono sikible chungsi ma pandawle matamuri akhe Kaslong River are hiamoro abo area am sinyo to abo de no bung are kherik tingeri saya bhat abo ha phonga ba thayono abo ka tungye raja chaye chini bru bosi kurnoi bosi bru raja chai phi to trem ma sikhe bole abo so ha terana nam boni mkhrem khra la chung mes pa ye tre sa ka le nai tre ki ha sikhe bole doino monikya bokhe tau Tripura ongmo abo West Tripura raja kihani tolawo akhe bini army general tung bini army general nim mung singkhe bole army general kini kaun abro singkhe bole Raikchau Rakshon are hiye mung khe tempio Raikchau Rakshon doino monikya rajano hiyoye toriye zaikeye phairiye buno rokha khete menera general army tor bo Raikchau Rakshon bor kchini brusi akhe trete Portuguese rao Burmese by akhe trete Arakan raja rao by ke jurdot matma khele pon somira phom chemye toye brono rokha khete mufo bo army chief army general kangli chini brutoni rao Raikchau Rakshon borono abor khe abo doino monikya rajani tolau tongye bor khe bro general army maye tongphio khe bono chu saima thamo singkhe bole bobrao khe Raikchau Rakshon bobro no pho abo Mayani Hills wo tongye zaga abo zaga wo tongye army general umba binpo da sida moi tre sipai jam khu abudi khiye ong tumon som ong tumbo ye binpo ne bama to na hi ma to abo zaga wo bro tong lai mbo no chini bruno siamo zaga Mayani Hills are hiye siamo khe abo Raikchau Rakshon tongmo tongphumon somoyo singkhe bole 1490 to 1515 bosi saisa bosi kurnoi bosi saisa bosi rzabroi ke bosi kurbroichi akhe treki housing ke bole aron chiyo bosi saisa bosi rzaba bosi ji bosi ba kobro bele sare se krok mong pitong wan supply ambo ye abon ke bobro bro Raikchau Rakshon bro tong ye ong phumon somu ye singkhe bole bosi kholphe ba abo jaga bro tong phiu akhe Artom pai song raja cha tompong ummoni ya gose
Chittagong Hill Tracts, an area located in the southeast of Bangladesh, with over 13,295 square kilometers and 11 indigenous communities, each of them having their own distinctive language, culture, and tradition. More than 2 decades of conflicts, the rough hilly terrain and remoteness of villages have impacted the economic development of the region, leaving widespread unemployment and over
1596.
The economy of the hill tracts heavily depends on agriculture, as nearly 2/3 of rural households rely on farming as their primary income. For many communities, access to basic healthcare is difficult due to the rough terrain and scattered settlements. Lack of human resources.
manglai akhetre ki ha singkhe bule tre bota chung sa thamo tain chung sa de khetre bonim khrim khrak bang ma to bunle tung chung sasla ye ko tre wa chung sanai tawon zora wole chung san ma panda wole te ki ha singkhe bule taw yo ko nabisna sa samparo ke chung sa ma panda singkhe bule bere bikram ni zowo 1923 to 1947 woke bule rai boke Montri minister level kheyeri moni abo rai sing ya pia pon some sing ke bole abo ke spono ria inke depsi rai bonose abo embere bikram ni somoyo brono bono depsi rai no se songyo rai ke ni mani rai on pandawo bose khogendro rai boke bole Khogendo rai singkhe bule abo rajan tolanchiyo Chudri ain matma khenma pandawo Chudri ong tongbo ye Chudri ongmoni ongbo ye bo khogendo rai khe bule Chudri tai songsa tang dikhe Chudri songmo bro bose bini thiok tor chamchumo tor silemi nai so sai satang singke abudike om chumi chudrin chi tre abo rai sukmai ma panda bu politics thungmo abudike ko thele yang thang thino phelaye raile bon sang chino thau tha are hiye chu simayo akhe to chu sima panda ole bo suhu chung sa thang moni kaunom boba tim tio ni su ke chun wa singkhe bule borok bang matungu bo chini program manang te sarai bu bungle khabui research khemo mani kauno chung sisak nalerana
GBDS Tripura Small But Beautiful page number 66 The colorful people are said to be originally residing at Mayanitlang of Lusai Hills. Aring yes, motong. Tripura small but beautiful. Boss ini ha, abok lekha ni mungche. Bo lekha page number 66 wa the colorful people are resided to be originally residing in Mayanitlang of Lusai Hills. Number 2, okay. Handbooks of the Lusai Hills. Abo Lusai country, Soinai. Captain O.A. Chambers. 1899. Page number 52. Bongke Bodike Sapiha. Dariang clan formerly resided in the Lusai country and took part with the independent tribe in the raid upon British territory. Number 4. Tripura, its history and culture by Omesh Singhal. Seniaka Omesh Singhal. Page number 94. There is a story that is the old days. Dariang lived in the Mayanitlang area of the Lusai Hills, bordering on and stretching into the Arakan of Burma. Okay. The hill tracts of the Chittagong and the dwells therein. Soinake Captain T.H. Luing, 1869. Tungkau samoke Riangs are the wildest of all and live in close juxtaposition position with the independent tribe of Lusai or Kuki on our eastern frontier. Apore here, browse mono na ye. Joto kisulepa bronzing brikis ya pang yarung le information yang ke bo Mayani hatai Mayani tuts. Apore nyak mo si.